Most people take the quality of air we breathe for granted and do not realize the serious health consequences of poor indoor air quality. This is because it's a problem you just cannot see. The fact is, we spend 90% of our time indoors, where air pollutants are as much as 100 times higher than outdoor air, and experts agree. The EPA ranks indoor air pollution as one of the top 5 environmental risks to our health. And the CDC states that chronic respiratory conditions are the 3rd leading cause of death in the U.S. Not to mention studies that indicate as much as 50% of homes have hidden mold conditions. The good news is you can now do something to help rid your home and office of these pollutants. The EPA and most experts recommend the use of air cleaners. However, there are different technologies such as HEPA, electrostatic ionizers, ozone, and UV lights. Unfortunately, these technologies often fall short in terms of actual effectiveness. Why? According to the EPA, the effectiveness of an air cleaner depends on how well it collects pollutants and the amount of air that passes through the filter. So in today's tough environment, you just don't want any old air purifier watching over your family's health and safety. There is a solution to end all the confusion. AEROPRO is more than an air purifier. It's a 6-stage eco-purification system and was engineered to take the guesswork out of deciding what works best. AEROPRO is the most efficient and effective air purification system in controlling both particulate matter and airborne pathogens. Our patented biozone technology is currently used in hospitals, clean rooms, and manufacturing environments requiring the highest air quality standards. What's the secret behind AEROPRO? It's not just a filter, it's an air purification system like no other technology, capturing 40 times more ultrafine particles than HEPA filters. How? Because AEROPRO biozone technology causes small particles to bind with larger particles, creating an aggregation effect. This allows AEROPRO to use a less dense filter than HEPA and capture even the most microscopic particles and pathogens, and without airflow restrictions associated with HEPA filters. Let's take a closer look at how the AEROPRO system works. Air first enters an enhanced 5-stage pre-filter, which incorporates activated carbon, potassium permanganate, and zeolite. Larger particles are captured, and the air is scrubbed for volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, such as formaldehyde and other chemicals and odors. Once pre-treated, air enters stage 6, the biozone chamber and main filter, where ultrafine particles are collected and pathogens such as bacteria, mold, and viruses are exposed to over 15,000 kilovolts of electricity, killing and capturing up to 99.99% of contaminants. Just as important, this high-energy field continuously sterilizes the main filter. We are so confident in AEROPRO that we offer an industry-leading 10-year limited lifetime warranty, provided you replace your filters annually through our filter replacement program. Begin breathing innovation today.